Hey guys, this is an Arctic 14 centimeters cooling fan for a PC, for example, with 200 to 1350 RPM controlled by PWM, right? It has full fluid dynamic bearing, so it should be kind of silent and long lasting. 181 grams, okay, very important, 181 grams, and some screws, okay, and the cable. The good thing about the cable is that it actually has another socket for another fan, for example. So you connect this to your motherboard and you can connect another fan like this or another type maybe to it. So you can connect two fans to the same socket on your motherboard, which is quite nice if you plan on building a PC with many cooling fans on it. Okay guys, that's about it. Nothing special, just a fan. Bye.